This video looks at editing and fixing ducts. If you want to specifically fix a duct size or change its shape, all we have to do is double click on the duct run, change the duct group. So for example, if I want to change this 250 by 200 and turn it into a 250 diameter, I can fix the duct type, I can change the shape, and then I can go and change the diameter. Select OK, display calculate. Supply system. That then changes that to a 250 diameter duct. If I decide I want to change or add, let's say, a flexible on the end of this duct, as we've done it is one final connection, we now need to break the duct to include a flexible connection. Currently in the duct groups there isn't a flexible connection, so we need to add one. Edit, duct groups, create a new duct group, call it flex, and it's going to be flexible. We then need to break the duct, so we need to insert, making sure we're looking at a supply system, ducts, double click on the duct to break it and create a node, select the duct, press delete on the keyboard. Edit, duct groups, make the flexible the current default duct group. Insert, ducts, switching my orthogonal off, select the grill, and we can create our flexible duct run and then double click, display calculate, supply system. That then introduces our flexible connection. So if ever you want to change without, obviously when you connect into a duct it automatically creates a T. If you want to, for a run of duct, change the shape or the size or introduce a different shape, then you have to break the duct with a double click, the same as you do with pipe work. And then of course we can view the results, display results, gives us the results on each piece of duct that we enter.